I was lucky enough to receive some funding this year from the Parkinson's Society Canada, and we had a pilot project grant funded for which we're very grateful. And what we're going to be looking at is some of what causes the side effects of the most common Parkinson's medication. So those of you that know anything about Parkinson's disease and its treatment, you'll know that after a few years of taking L-DOPA therapy, people develop these unwanted side effects, dyskinesias and uncontrollable movements. And what we're going to be doing is looking at gene expression changes in two pathways of the brain, one which basically causes movement and one which inhibits movement. And we're going to look at the effect of L-DOPA on gene expression in these two pathways in the hope of finding what's underlying these dyskinesias, with a long-term goal of trying to find a way of actually preventing them. So why is it important to fund Parkinson's research in Canada? I would say there's a few reasons, really. First one is that it's the second most common neurodegenerative disorder that there is, and that's going to become exacerbated over the next few years by the fact that we have an aging population. So at the moment we have a certain number of people with Parkinson's, and that number's only going to grow, unfortunately, over the next 10, 20 years. So I think it's very important to fund the research now so that we can try and find strategies to implement sooner rather than later, and maybe stop or reduce that kind of growing number of patients. It is a disease that negatively impacts lives, not only of the people that have the disease, but also of their loved ones and their caregivers. So it's very important, I think, that we do that now.